Raizer is a revolutionary AI-driven platform, expertly crafted to empower startup companies in their fundraising endeavors. This innovative tool streamlines the process of identifying and connecting with suitable investors, transforming the traditionally time-consuming task into a swift and efficient experience. At its core, Raizer boasts a meticulously curated and constantly updated database of thousands of venture capitalists and angel investors. This database is not just extensive but also rich in detail, offering insights into the investment preferences and contact information of each investor, ensuring startups can target their efforts more effectively. What sets Raizer apart is its advanced AI technology, which is capable of generating highly tailored and precise messages. This feature allows users to adopt various communication styles, ranging from the visionary flair of Steve Jobs to the bold approach of Elon Musk, or even a more relaxed, casual tone. This versatility in communication ensures that startups can resonate more deeply with potential investors. Raizer's functionality extends beyond just finding investors. It enables users to initiate contact through multiple channels, including email, LinkedIn, and Twitter, catering to the preferred communication medium of each investor. Furthermore, Raizer excels in networking, offering guaranteed warm introductions to over 500 top-tier venture capitalists, family funds, and angel investors, thereby significantly enhancing the chances of successful fundraising. The platform is not only powerful but also user-friendly. Getting started with Raizer is a breeze. It's easy, fast, and free, removing any barriers for startup founders eager to embark on their fundraising journey. The tool has garnered high praise from its users for its ability to simplify and streamline the fundraising process, eliminating the tedious and often overwhelming task of manual research and outreach. In summary, Raizer is an indispensable asset for any startup founder looking to raise capital. Its blend of AI-driven efficiency, comprehensive investor database, and versatile communication tools make it a standout choice in the world of startup fundraising.